goddammit! Fucking hell! Strider!
Yep.
FBI, open up!
Leo! Leo! No! If you're gonna be stupid, you better be tough.
So a really cool thing happened. Made this Dutch door, French door, whatever the hell it's called.
Get your fucking heads in now!
Ash, go to the dog park.
Big smile, Holly. Oh, good girl.
Is it a stick? Yes, it is.
Hey, honey, give me a song.
Ganella, I'm so hungry I could eat a dog.
You're adopted. It's true. I adopted you.
I think that you're about to go on a walk.
Close it. All the way.
Zoe, you brought it out. Go get it. Come on, bring it in.
Bailey, are you sad? No?
Yeah, I love you.
No, you're not getting dinner. You're bad.
Dodge, can you spot a dumbass bitch?
I have to go to work. I'm really sorry. Please don't look at me like this. I love you so much.
Meu Deus,
Eu quero ver ela morder seu beijo.
Oh, watch out, Jack. Oh, watch
oh my God!
¿Con qué juegan? ¿Qué es lo que te dan en la mano, eh? ¡Ah, yo sé, pues, de verdad, mira! ¡Ah, ya! ¡Oh!
Did you get that on video? Queen, I have a question.
what is it if it's not an idiotic one?
Are you excited for Pride Night tonight here at Disneyland?
Event? Oh, it'll be a lovely night.
Wait,
to
you're a
remember.
guest.
Melissa, can I ask you a question? What is your skincare routine?
Oh, my dear, I feast on the tears of the youth.
Eeyore, I love you.
Okay, girl, you look good. You look good. Okay.
You spin my head right round when you go.
Because you're stunning, you're gorgeous. You and only you. Only you, not him. I'm sorry, I can block out his face. We'll block his face. Oh no. Oh, Donald! Oh my God!
Queen, yes, that's what's, yes, girl, yes! Uh-oh. Okay. Scoot it over. Thank you.
Bumblebee. Plushies and Batman. Make all the prime choices.
Did you say, Fiona? I love you.
My bestie and your bestie sit down by the fire. Your bestie says she want parties, so can we make this?
You're so cute.
You're a good boy. You're a good boy. That's it, you're...
What about Mom? Can Mom pet you? Mom can pet.
Come on.
Dogs, go to bed.
Oh, so good to see you.
Oh my God.
Who? Quit it.
Sis, you wanna go? Oh, you wanna go with mommy? Oh, look at that change up of that.
So come on, lady. I'm just trying to hit it by the end of the night, Lamar.
What's up?
What's up, baby?
Sasha, can he come in? Thank you.
Guys, you pushed him off the bed.
Like I was some criminal. You know how that made me feel? I was
You're not that cute. Chester, it stinks.
Go, get up. Come on, get off the bed.
Come back in here and this is what you see. It's, you know you're supposed to be in that.
Bruh, what is wrong with you?
Oh my God. Look at this distinguished gentleman.